Picture this. You, financially free and secure. Sounds good, right? Now let's make it a reality. Welcome to a journey that will lead you to financial freedom and security. This isn't just about numbers or confusing financial jargon. It's about understanding the principles of financial planning and investing, and how these can be the key to your wealth-building blueprint. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. Stay tuned, as we're about to dive into the foundations of financial success. Think of financial planning as building a house. Without a solid foundation, everything collapses. The foundation stones of financial success aren't complex Wall Street jargon, but simple principles that anyone can grasp. First up is budgeting, the blueprint of your financial house. It's all about knowing your income and expenses and planning how to balance the two. It's like planning a road trip. You need to know where you're starting from, your destination, and the road you'll take. If you're earning $1,000 a month and spending $1,100, you're driving off a financial cliff. Next, we have saving, the bricks and mortar of your financial house. Saving isn't about depriving yourself of life's pleasures, but about setting aside a portion of your income for future needs. Think of it as paying your future self. It's like packing a lunch instead of buying one. Sure, it takes a little effort, but your future self will thank you when you're munching on a sandwich while everyone else is scouring the couch cushions for loose change. Lastly, we have investing, the reinforcements that protect and grow your financial house. Investing is about putting your money to work for you. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. Yes, it takes time and patience, but the rewards can be bountiful. And remember, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to invest. There are plenty of investment options out there suited for every risk appetite, from the safe and steady bonds to the roller coaster ride of stocks. These are the three pillars of financial success: budgeting, saving, and investing. Each one plays a crucial role, and they all work together to build a strong, stable financial house. And just like building a house, it's not about speed, but about getting it right. It's about making sound financial decisions today that will pay off tomorrow. Remember, the foundation of financial success is strong decision-making. Now, let's move on to smart saving strategies. Saving money is not about depriving yourself. It's about managing your resources efficiently. So, let's dive into the world of smart saving and learn how to build our financial fort. Imagine your money as a dynamic team of soldiers. Each dollar has a role to play, and when they work together strategically, they can conquer your financial goals. But how do we train these soldiers and set them on the right path? That's where smart saving comes in. First off, let's talk about the emergency fund. It's like the fortress wall that protects your financial kingdom from unexpected setbacks. Life is full of surprises, and while some are pleasant, others, like a sudden job loss or a major car repair, can be financially draining. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's recommended to have 3 to 6 months of living expenses tucked away. This fund acts as a buffer, ensuring you can weather life's storms without toppling your financial kingdom. Now, building an emergency fund may seem daunting, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start small. Set aside a portion of your income regularly, whether it's 10%, 20%, or even just 5%. What's important is consistency. Over time, these small amounts will accumulate and grow into a substantial emergency fund. Next, let's talk about saving for future goals. Whether it's buying a house, going on a dream vacation, or funding your child's education, having specific goals can motivate you to save. Break down these goals into small, manageable steps and create a timeline. This will make the process less overwhelming and more achievable. Remember, smart saving is not about sacrificing today's happiness for tomorrow's. It's about striking a balance between enjoying the present and preparing for the future. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Smart saving is the first step towards wealth accumulation. Now, let's explore budgeting brilliance. A budget isn't a restriction, it's a liberation from financial worry. Now, let's dive into the brilliant world of budgeting. Think of budgeting as your personal financial GPS. It's your guide to reaching your financial goals, whether that's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or accumulating wealth for financial freedom. But how do we create an effective budget? First, track your income and expenses. Understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. Now, categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Remember, the key here is balance. Next, set financial goals. Do you want to save for a new car? Or maybe you're eyeing that beachfront property. Whatever your dreams, put a price tag on them. Finally, review and adjust your budget regularly. Life is unpredictable, and your budget should be flexible to accommodate changes. Remember, budgeting is a financial roadmap. Now let's navigate the exciting world of investing. Let's set the record straight. Investing is not gambling. It's making your money work for you. It's about taking a calculated risk with the goal of growing your wealth over time. Now, how do we do this? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to investing. Some of us might be daredevils, ready to take on high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Others might prefer a slower, steadier route to wealth accumulation. That's where different investment vehicles come into play. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, cryptocurrencies, each has its own risk and reward profile. Think of it like a menu at your favorite restaurant. You wouldn't order everything on the menu, right? Likewise, it's essential to diversify your investment portfolio. Spread your investments across different assets to balance risk and reward. But remember, diversification is not about simply collecting a bunch of different investments. It's about intelligently selecting investments that work well together. Also, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The power of compound interest, that's interest on interest, can multiply your wealth significantly over the long term. So, be patient and let your money do the heavy lifting. Just remember, investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about disciplined, thoughtful decisions that can grow your wealth over time. Investing is the key to wealth multiplication. Now let's wrap things up. So, you've mastered the art of financial planning and investing. What's next? Let's recap. Smart savings, brilliant budgeting, intelligent investing. These are your tools. Use them wisely and watch your wealth grow. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. Start building your wealth today.